Using AI to prepare a professional business plan. Before we jump into the practical demonstration, I want everyone to understand something very important. AI does not replace your knowledge as an accountant, business owner, or analyst. What AI does is this: it speed up your thinking, it speed up your structure, it speed up your idea, it speed up a lot of things that make the work to come successful, and it will help you present them professionally. Many people think business plans are difficult. The truth is this: business plans are not difficult, they are just detailed. The challenge most people face is this: where do I start from? What heading do I use? What do I write professionally? How do I convert figure into a meaningful explanation? This is exactly where AI comes in. AI works like a very intelligent assistant for you. It listens to your business idea, your numbers, your market, and your assumptions, and then help you organize them into a clear bankable business plan. But let me be very clear: AI is only as good as the instruction you give to it, because it's a garbage in, garbage out system. So if you give AI poor information, it will give you poor results. You will get poor business plan. If you give AI realistic figure, correct assumption, and proper guidance, you will get a professional document that can compete anywhere, in any time that you go, anywhere you present it. So as an accountant and business professionals, our advantage is this: we already understand numbers, we understand costs, we understand revenue, we understand risk, and we understand cash flow. AI simply help us to translate that understanding into a structured business plan faster. So it's all about time management. So in this training, I will help you, or I want you to stop seeing AI as magic. Instead, see it as a tool like Excel, like accounting software, like a calculator. The goal of today's practical is not just to prepare one business plan. The real goal is for you to learn how to ask AI the right question, how to guide AI step by step, all right, how to review AI output like a professional, and how to adjust the plan to fit banks, investors, or internal use. So by the end of this session, you should be able to prepare business plan professionally for different type of businesses, customize business plan for loan, for grants, and for investors, and even monetize this scale as a service. Now that you understand what AI can do and what it cannot do, let's move straight into the practical section, and I will show you exactly how to use AI right here. Alright, welcome to the practical section on how to use AI, how to leverage on AI to prepare a bankable and professional business plan. Okay, supposing you want to apply for a loan from a bank, or government is giving out loan, or you are writing as a freelancer, you are writing it for business people who are applying for a loan, what you to be making money. Okay, so what I will do is that I will say, you can start with I am an accountant, or I would say generate for me, or I would say I am a business owner, or I am an accountant. I am an accountant. I want to prepare business plan for my client. All right, for my client, who wish to apply for loan of 10 million naira, loan of 10 million naira, loan of 10 million naira from bank, or let me say from first bank, First Bank PLC. From First Bank PLC. The loan is a the loan is to last. The loan is to last for three years. Okay, to last for 3 years, and is 2% interest rate. 2% interest rate. So you need to give AI all the parameter that is needed. Okay, so here is the standard. Here is the standard template I want you to use. So I now open the quotation. I've copied already the template. I paste the template. Once I paste the template, I'll draw it down to the last. So, but before you paste the template, make sure you go through the template and they are all intact. They are all suit what you are looking for. Okay, so assuming we have gone through already, the template is what you want now. Assuming this template that I have here is what you want, so I close the template. Then you can decide to generate only the theoretical aspect. You know, it has the template. Look at the way the template is, from executive summary, the management summary, operational summary, you know, financial plan and all of that, operational plan, financial plan, market strategy and all of that. So you go through it before you now pour it into the AI. So I've finished entering every parameter. Let's send it and see what the AI will give us. Wow, this is perfect. 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 You can see now it's generating the necessary information, processing the information we give. So it's now asking us, would you like me to assume the business type, the borehole water business food, because we did not give it the name of the borehole, the name of the business, and proceed with a simple realistic figure for now? Or do you want me to fill in the, is mentioning a borehole water business because I've written a borehole business plan, food processing business plan for people before. So let me just say yes. I will just say yes. I will send again. So you will now prepare for me. Option A is giving me option. With the option, use a sample business, pure bottled water production figure. Or so in the prompt that I said, I'm supposed to indicate the type of business that it is, so that it will not be asking me all these questions again, because I did not mention the type of business the person is doing and the product is selling or the service is rendering. Okay, so that is why you need to look at the prompt that you are sending that are complete. So I will now use, let us use option A, sample business that I used before. So option A, let me use option A, which is a sample business that I've used before, so that it can enable the business plan to come. So you wait. Supposing all your prompts are in line, everything are intact, you don't need all this question. Okay, because if the information is a garbage in garbage out system, if it's not complete, it will suggest to you. So this is the business plan. You can see from the name that I gave before, that I say you use, you can see Crystal Clear Water Company. Okay, I only mentioned is my client before, plot 12 Maraba Carroll Road. So you have suggested all this name and provide information, so you edit it properly. And but if you give a proper prompt, you don't need to edit all the information you need. Once you give, you don't need to edit again. But however, our business plan is ready. This is our business plan. you can see this is a business description, this is executive summary number 1, then business description number 2, market analysis number 3. You can see product marketing and sales strategy. Okay, you can see market analysis, SWOT analysis, product and services, marketing and sales strategy, operational plan. You can see them, management and organization. So in your prompt you can indicate if you have a staff, the name of the staff, you see. Then this is the financial plan, startup cost estimate. This is assuming this company is a startup. It's a startup already. Look at it, collecting the 10 million naira loan. Look at the breakdown. Now if you have already made your research, before you give AI to do for you, you must have made your research about the cost of items that you are going to buy, cost of expenses you are going to buy. You already have them. Impute it in your prompt the way it is, exactly within this budget. Okay, so at the end of the day, they give us this is the cost estimate. After the cost estimate, look at the revenue projection. This is the revenue projection for 3 years. Look at the break-even analysis. Oh my god. The risk analysis and mitigation. Look at the sustainability and social impact, implementation line. Okay, then appendix. Now there is something that you may want to include. If you want this business plan, you need to include cash flow, projected cash flow statement. So all of this you can include them in the original prompt. So I can say add projected cash flow statement, value added statement, and projected statement of financial position, So once we add that again, you can see, you wait for it, you see. So what I normally do is to generate, once I give you a template, I'll copy template for theory aspect. It will give me the theory aspect, then I will instruct the AI again. I will prepare the financial aspect of it separately. Okay, so you can see the other projection that he has given us now. You can see it. Look at the projected cash flow, year 1, year 2, year 3. Okay, see the projected statement of financial position, year 1, year 2, year 3. Okay, then you can see the balance sheet. This is the projected balance sheet. You can see the value added statement, projected value added statement for the 3 years. Look at the distribution of the value added. You can see. So that is how AI works. It's as simple as that. Once you do like this, you can now ask him to put it in a PDF. I mean, put the finances in your Excel file for you. You can type, put the financial aspect in Excel file for me. You put it and you import into your Excel, and then you can copy the theory part and put it in your MS Word. Do the proper formatting and editing, then you print. So that's all. That is how to get your proper standard and backable business plan using AI tools.